Welcome to another episode of Millennial Investing Explained. Here's today's question.
So now we have our brand new brokerage account. It's funded, it's ready to go. Which type of assets can we invest in?
Usually, the most common things to invest in with a brokerage account are stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, commodities, and options. Purchasing individual stocks is sometimes considered risky, but it also has higher potential returns. But the biggest thing I want to talk about here is when you buy stock, you are actually buying a fractional ownership of that business. And then ultimately, your investment returns hinge on how that business does. A lot of times, new investors don't realize that when you buy a stock, you're not just buying a blip on a screen. You're actually buying ownership in a business. So the outcome of your investment really does rely on how that business does. So in general, when you buy a company's stock, when you buy an individual stock of a company, say it's Apple, if Apple does well, in general, your stock should go up and you should have positive investment returns. But if Apple does poorly, then your investment returns might suffer and you might have poor returns. Like I said just a few minutes ago, this is sometimes considered risky, and it's certainly not for everybody. Buying individual stocks takes a lot of time and research. If you don't have a lot of time, or you don't want to put in the research, or you're not interested into it, then I don't recommend investing in individual stocks. But if you are interested and you want to research companies, you want to look at their future prospects and consider the value of their company versus what you're able to buy it at, then I believe in investing in individual stocks is a great opportunity. But you just need to be sure that you're ready to put in the effort that it takes to invest in individual stocks.
That's all for this episode of Millennial Investing Explained. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel to get even more free content.